Hi guys, it's Andrew here from Eastonmade Wood Splitters today, and we're going to show you an attachment that makes our life immensely easier here at Eastonmade. What this is it's a claw grapple. It slips on over top of your existing set of forks and pins into place. You run your auxiliary lines the same as you would any other attachment, and it works a thumb. And the importance of this is because you can block wood off the ground with it, and it's really handy for that. You can have a guy on either end of it block it. So we normally have one guy run the skid steer, and then two guys blocking wood. Because the big thing with these commercial splitters is moving wood. Moving wood to it and moving wood from it. So we make conveyors that looks after the one end of that, and the other end of it is moving the wood to it. So this helps out a lot. And as you can see, you can manipulate a single log easily with this. So you have a lot of precision here, and it's narrow enough that you can actually block right down to your last piece, which is handy. And like I said, you block off the ground. And if you're a tree service, you can manipulate your big blocks, so you can move them around, whether you're moving them to your splitter or out of a customer's yard. And it just saves your back, guys. Like you're not working in the dirt anymore. You're not working the pile throwing wood. You can move the wood around, and that's kind of the big thing. And like I said, these things are made in the USA. They're made in Constableville, New York, by KFam Manufacturing. Constableville is just north of Boonville and south of Watertown, and these things are built to last. Like they put grease fittings in them, and they build them heavy. John and Ken are fantastic guys. We work with them every year in Boonville. They load the bells firewood processors for us. They help me block up a lot of wood. And as you can see, you can move wood around so much quicker and so much more efficiently with these things. Like if you have a big wide grapple, you can't block down to the last piece. You have to have you're still gonna have a 4 foot piece that you have to drop and rehandle. And in terms of loading a processor, like the big thing with loading a processor is if you have a big wide brush grapple, it's sometimes tricky to get it in around the live deck. So with this attachment, you can load the live deck a lot easier. You can control the wood so much easier. You can load one log at a time, multiple logs. Like I said, if you're in the firewood business, whether you're large scale or small scale, if you have a piece of equipment to run this, it's worth its weight in gold. They're around $1,600. It's June 2019 right now, just for reference. And it's worth having because you're not going to be busting your back. A guy that's working for you is not going to be busting his back, and it's just so much easier to handle stuff because that's what it's all about. It's about making your life a whole lot easier. So if you have any questions, the guys' names are John and Ken. Ken's phone number is 315-723-1658, and John's number is 315-523-3411. I'm going to post their website up here. And like I said, if you have any questions, give me a call. My phone number is 613-812-3213. And give John and Ken a call. I don't sell these things myself. Like I said, this is just an attachment that makes life so much easier for us. And in terms of firewood, whether you're large scale or small scale, it's just so much easier to do it with one of these claw grapples versus the bigger one. And by all means, any questions, guys, please ask.